Hello everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Sudha Baveja and I have brought you a new poem. This poem is about politics and about our specific goal. How we need to come together to realize a common goal. So before I start my poem, I really want to appreciate the place where I'm standing. I won't tell you the name of this place. Okay, I'm in Delhi, India. So here you can see behind me. I really want to appreciate the person or people who have done this great job and also who supported them. So I'm going to read this text on this letter. You can see this is Indian letter. There are stamps on this. Right here, we are more together. Skin like earth. Know your worth. Fierce, tender, electric fire. Overflowing dreams and desire. We want more now, more forever, more together. What is written down there? 100% hand painted with love by Shilo Shiv Suleiman with assistance of Jitendra and many. Yes, so I think I read this word right. So thank you people who have done this and also who supported this. I really like this graffiti over here on the wall. So thank you so much. So now it's time for my poem. Okay. We have come together. We have come together. We exercised power and used our money to get things done for ourselves. Let's put it through the right channel to get things for us and everyone else. From now, we'll stand for each other. We have come together. Yes, we have come together. Maybe we've been searching for ruined system. Maybe we were a part of this corruption. But now, dear, it's time for overhauling. It's the right time for retrospection. It's just for few more days, because we join hands for the matter have come together. Let's have the evil out of our lives through politics, which is clean and systematic. No more VIP culture, no more culprits. Only our nation, which is truly democratic. Let's vote, let's donate, let's volunteer for the better. We have come together. Yes, we have come together. So this poem is for those people who really care about the political system in their nation. So please understand, when we really want the system for our better, for the change, we need not to do the blame game. We need not to judge other people. We just need to determine what we really want for all of us, for the betterment of all of us. No selfish objectives. So that motivates us to decide well and then take decision and then act on it. Like this poem, and if you like it, then please give me a thumbs up on this video. And if you like it, then I hope you might like my other videos also. You can check it on my channel. And I would really request you, if you have seen this video so far, then please leave your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.